everyone, welcome to Inside Studio. I'm Ashley. Generative AI has been growing fast over the past few years, but for small and medium-sized enterprises, adopting generative AI is still difficult because they only have limited resources. So how can they overcome these barriers? Today, we have two visionary leaders to join our discussion. First, we have Khein, CEO from Phison Electronics to join us. Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Thank you for joining us today. And the second, we have Joy, Director at Advantech, to join us. Thank you.
Hello, everyone.
Thank you too for joining us today. So let's get started with our first question. This question is for Joy. We're curious that from your perspective, why is now the right time for companies to adopt generative AI? What kind of benefits can they get?
Okay, I think this is a very good question. Why is a key reason right now is a good time for the Gen AI? The first, the technology barrier is lower and lower than before. Second, for the industrial, it's more. It's time for the reaching the critical tipping point. Third is companies. They need to face the challenge and motivated to transfer. And for the benefit, it's very easy. First is reduce the cost. Second is increase the performance. And of course, is a real-time decision making and creates business value. So that's why it's the right time to adopt the AI right now.
Thank you for explaining why now is the right time for companies to adopt Gen AI. You mentioned about efficiencies and the cost down, right? But we're also curious about the challenges small and medium-sized enterprises face when they adopting Gen AI. So, KS, can you share with us what kind of challenges do they face and how can they overcome it?
Actually, AI is a trend. From now on, every human, if you're alive in the world, you need to use AI. Then the challenge is, today's most likely 99.9% AI is only happening in the cloud. Using cloud, we have two challenges. One is a fee. You have to pay forever. And ceiling. Second, when you use a cloud AI, actually you share your own private data to the cloud. Means your data becomes free. Okay? Then without the cloud, go to the on-premise private AI. Then the other challenge is so expensive. You need a multiple million US dollars to establish your own AI in your office, in your the private room. Even though you have a few $1 million of budget to buy the equipment in your office, second challenge is you can't to find very good talent to maintain, to deploy, to develop, to use the on-premise AI. So two challenges on the on-premise, cost and the talent.
Yeah, so is there any solutions to overcome that? Can you share with us your viewpoint?
Yes. Then you may ask a question, why the AI is so expensive? Okay, now answer is very simple. Go to the LLM, large language model, small language model. The bottleneck today is not computing power, it's a memory. You buy many pieces of GPU card, not because of computing power, just because you need to accumulate good enough of a HBM, DRAM for computing. The question is, without the good enough of DRAM, the operating system, the OS, is going to tell you OOM, out of memory. Then system hang, nothing to do. So in order to good enough of memory, you need to pay a lot of money. So Phison's invention, this is our very unique invention, will bring, by the way, this is the only unique solution to bring AI to the edge because we are able to extend unlimited memory space by our flash cache solution. And this solution is a proven. So in your lab, in your office, you got only one GPU card, no matter 4090, 5090, X6000, H100, whatever. One piece of GPU card with Phison AI 100 adaptive cache, you can immediately go through every inference and also can bring your in-house fine-tuning.
Wow, so good, so cool. It's great to hear there are cost-effective solutions available. So cool. So Joy, from your perspective, from Advantech's experience working with clients, how can small and medium-sized enterprises get the most out of AI with limited resources? How do you see the solutions KS just mentioned?
Yes, I think the Phison is a very important partner for the Advantech. We co-work more than 15 years. And right now, before the Phison is storage, right now into the AI this field. So we co-work this AI solution. And for the AI solution, I think most important things is just have the several challenges we just mentioned before, no matter the budget or everything. And right now, we find have some problem. When you into the AI, you need to have the technology, you need the resource, you need the evaluation, the products. And for the Advantech, we not just only provide the module and system, we also provide the Edge AI SDK to help the customer use the Phison AI SDK to implement for the inference and fine-tuning solution. And at this moment, we try to make in our field, most of the customers, they also worry about the security. So that's why we use this kind of the system, co-work with them and make it cost lower and local to fine-tune the solution. Yeah.
Wow, so cool. So Phison and Advantech has already cooperated with each other to solve the problem for small and medium-sized enterprises. Wow, it shows that using the right tools and approaches is critical. But we have another question. We are curious that Mr. KS, can the approaches, can the solution you just mentioned be applied to training large-scale AI models?
Yes. Again, if you try to train your LLM with a limited GPU card, then you can get very famous OOM, out of memory. So this chart can show you, okay, the green color is without Phison adaptive is GPU only. With the GPU only, this card can train only up to 7B. And this is, we use one set of RTX 6000 ADA, okay? Then go to the 13B, OOM, famous OOM. But with the Phison adaptive, we still able to train. Even go to 70B, OOM, but with adaptive, we are continue to train our model. So means what? Means you have a limited budget. Without Phison solutions, you can't use any AI on premise. No way. But with limited budget, Phison solutions, you can immediately use AI. But with only one GPU card, performance is low, but limited budget. When you make the POC, everything good, you buy one GPU card, you can run the LLM. Then tomorrow you got extra budget, buy one more GPU card, buy one more GPU card. Then your performance improving. So that means without Phison, you totally not able to use. But with Phison, you can gradually improve your GPU efficiency.
Wow, so cool. So Cass, your Phison solutions provide elections for enterprises to choose, right? So it's really a good news. It means that smaller players have more opportunities in the futures. And we would like to know more use cases. So Joy, can you share some examples of your success stories with your clients?
Okay. I think we face a lot of inquiry because we are the Advantech, we service a lot of industrial customers. Normally, they have some problem. I think the most important thing is like the manufacturing. It's very easy for adopt the AI solution. And the second is medical. Medical is our Advantech major business for our business. And they have the security issue because their data cannot upload to the internet. So that's why it's very important and very suitable adopting the AI solution. And of course, not only for the manufacturing and health healthcare, and also like the retail and the logistics. It's also is very suitable for for adaptive AI. Yep.
Wow, okay. So however, we are also curious about the data leakage problem and AI misuse because some companies worry about this to threats. So how, from your opinion, how can companies to overcome this kind of threats when adopting generative AI or use your solutions?
Simple. Use cloud means everything gone. Okay? I always give example. You keep your data in the Google Drive. By regulation, they cannot read. You still own the knowledge of the data. But AI, you open your data, no matter to AWS, ChatGPT, Azure, when they read it, the knowledge go to their brand. So who own the knowledge? Means you share everything. So answer is simple. You use a cloud service, means your data gone. The only way to keep your own privacy data, only solution is use on-premise AI solutions. Then on-premise AI solutions, either you have a few $1 million, good, go to buy all new set from NVIDIA, no problem. But limited budget, Phison with the Advantech solution is a unique and only solution.
Oh, okay, right. We got it. And Joy, anything to add?
I think for the AI, it's very interesting because everyone is reaching for the AI solution because they want to help them more professional and more performance. But the most important thing is how to do that. Is how to do that. And even you know how to do that, what kind of the model you need to use. So I think has a lot of challenge for the industrial. I think this one is a very important thing is you need to find a good solution, no matter is cost effective or suitable. So that's why the Advantech we have the use Phison AI SSD adapt with our air solution to provide this kind of the solution for the customer. Yeah, this is the first. And the second, you must smart. You must smart to choose the technology for that. Yeah.
And we'd also like to know which industries are best suited to start using Gen AI with the approach, the solution you just mentioned. Can you share with us your viewpoint?
Okay, I always use a simple example, okay? 30 years ago, you go to the factory, the operation line, a lot of human, okay? Doing the repeating actions, assembly the things, right? Now, easily you can use a very low-cost robot to replace a human. So the tips is repeating, okay? Today, in the knowledge, a lot of knowledge, keep repeating, reusing. So LLM AI can help to move more efficiency. For example, the customer's call center, the clinic, the doctor checking the patient, the teacher keep teaching, right? So every knowledge which is repeating, then you can immediately use AI to improve your efficiency.
Thank you, Cass. And Joy, what's your viewpoint?
It's very difficult to, how can I say? I think at this moment, everyone knows AI is very important. But the next question is, how can I say? Choose the right technology for the industrial. That's why we always mention for that. It's not just only for the GPU, not just only for the model. You must choose the right solution for that. Yeah, I think also you also need the next challenge is how to implement, especially in the if you have a lot of model, you need to choose and try to implement, and this is very important. So how to benchmark for that? Yeah, I think for the Advantech we have the total solution for that. Yeah.
So it's clear that choosing the right approach or tools, GenAI has wide potential across industries, every industry. So we are looking forward to that. And now let's dive into what's next. We're curious that how will Advantech and Phison work together in the future to bring more innovations?
Okay, again, GPU not equal to AI. GPU just a computing power. AI is a total solution. Okay, we did a lot of POC together with Advantech. A lot of enterprise owner, they say, okay, $1 million, I can pay, I can invest. But the second coming challenge is they cannot find any practical engineers to deploy the server, the AI, the troubleshooting in their office. Why? Because today the education system not able to train the real AI application engineer. Why? Because so expensive. I always give a simple example. If you want your children to learn piano, a piano costs $2 million. He or she would never can play piano because no equipment to practice. So what we try to do is we need to make the equipment cheaper, go to the education system, go to the training center to train the technician, to train the engineers who are able to handle the AI solution on premise. Then we need to encourage a lot of a software company, most likely a lot of students, they're interested about AI, they have a knowledge about AI, make their own startup, deliver the software application as a total solution, helping people, helping enterprise to solve the problem. So this is a long way to go. We Phison, Advantech, we solve the cost, hardware cost issue. Cost now is good, affordable. On top of a hardware, we need a lot of talent, engineers, application. This, we need to build the ecosystem through education.
Thank you, KS and Joey.
I think last year, because Phison, we earn a lot of money because they have a very good solution is for the fine tuning. Before, it needs several millions US dollars, but right now, just only 100,000 you can running for the LLM 70 model. So our customer is very like that because the fine tune you can own your data. So last year is very good, but this year also is very interesting. More and more customers, they won't have the more inference application. And right now, Phison also has a new AI SSD aiDAPTIV. They also can improve the inference performance, especially like right now, like the Jetson Nano, Jetson Nano Super. Then before, everyone can use that, and the price also is good. But has a big problem is just we mentioned a lot. The memory just only 8G or the 16G is not good enough. When you run the inference, it cannot help. But this year, we are very happy because Phison has a new solution can make the inference performance improve more than 10 times. So I think in the Computex, we also have the solution combined with Phison AI SSD and make the Jetson Nano can improve more 10 times. Maybe you can check that and please call us for the business and for evaluation.
Thank you, Joy. To conclude, can you share with us your suggestions for small and medium-sized enterprises in the AI era? Cass?
The god of AI, Jensen Huang, keeps saying that the more you buy, the more you save, right? This is good for cloud company, okay? To small, medium-sized enterprise company, the more you buy, you bankrupt first, okay? But our solution is you don't need to start to buy more. You just buy one to do POC with a little bit of budget. All POC doing good, you need more computing power, you keep buying more. Then, of course, NVIDIA happy, you buy more. But not buying more in day one. Okay, buying one in the first day, you enjoy it, you prove it, keep buying more. Make NVIDIA happy.
Thank you, Cass and Joy.
I think for the AI, money is very important. Everyone is the same. but try to smart to use that. You need AI, yes, we know. Everyone needs AI. So what's next? You must smart to use the money and find a good solution and choose a suitable model and improve your performance. So that's why we are doing with Phison.
Thank you, Joy, and thank you, KS. Thank you for being here, share your opinions. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you. And it's clear that with the right tools, Gen AI can be easily used by small and medium enterprises in the AI era, and that is the good news. And if you want to learn more, please visit Advantech and Phison's booth at the Computex. And don't forget to subscribe Advantech's YouTube channel and follow our Inside Studio. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Ashley. See you next time.